Alright guys, well, we're gonna lift the truck from here on the chassis. I got some bricks on the front. I don't got chalk blocks. And we're gonna put the stands here. Like I said, I prefer using the heavy duty ones. These are for small cars. It's a heavy truck. I put both of them just in case. And I got used to putting the tires under a vehicle when I'm working on it, just as precaution. Alright guys, so now we gotta take off the rear shock absorber here. We got a 13-16 bolt there. And we also gotta watch out for the brake line, see if we can loosen it up so we don't tear it up. And these shocks are no good, so I'm gonna go ahead and order the extended ones from ReadyLIFT for I believe they're rated for 2 to 4 inch lift. As you can see, these are bad. There we go. The shorter end here goes towards the front, so just like this. Then we can raise the truck up. There we go, popped in place. We're gonna get the new U-bolt. So here's a close-up. Here's what it looks on this side. Make sure they're in the correct spot there. This cable has some tension. You don't want to drop it too much. I believe if you had 4 to 5 inch blocks, this might prevent you from dropping the differential down straight down. But yeah, let me bolt those down. These are in the back now. I'm going to pretend the shock is still good and pop it in place while I order the new ones. Get my hammer. Now these bolts over here, you gotta torque them down. I'm not too sure of the specs are on the website, but after you drive it 100 to 500 miles, retorque them again. So now I'm going to take off the jack here. Hopefully this doesn't drop too much. And we're going to put it over there under the differential to pick this up so we can fit the tires back on. Oops, what am I doing? Still gotta take off the jack stands on the front. Alright guys, so that's pretty cool there. That's a big difference. Alright guys, the passenger side had extra leaf springs and I went ahead and cut some of the U-bolts and stuff. Went ahead and moved the truck forward. And we are about 4 inches there. And about 3 7/8 or so. Actually, we're about a 16 short. And I went ahead and measured from the top down, and we're right on. So even though I have 600 pounds on this side, the truck is now leveled, which is nice. And have it on right now because I drained the battery with the radio and the fan was on. But the gap's a lot better. Next thing to do is move the bed back maybe 1/2 inch if I can. Loosen up all 6 bolts and see if I can move this back a little bit just to make it look a little bit more centered. But that's it for the lift blocks on here, 2-inch lift blocks. And just thank you for watching and subscribe, and we're gonna have more videos coming up soon and giveaways, so see y'all later.